Hello, fellow traders. Dadas here, speaking to you from the Dadas Trading Room Discord server, where every day I stream live all my tradings, all my trades. You can see my screen, you can see my charts, you can see what I'm doing, and you can also talk to me. I also post every day around this time, so it's between 10 p.m. and 11 p.m. Central European time. I post, I make these videos. It's called Daily Recap. I make one in Polish and then one in English. And every day you can check it out and listen to it and look at it. The next thing that I'm doing every Sunday, I'm usually making a longer video. So at this moment I've decided that every second Sunday I'm gonna make an English video called Sunday with Dadas Trading System, and every second and every other Sunday I will make a Polish video. So far I've made one English video last Sunday and lots of Polish videos. So now I have decided to split between those two, because one video is usually 3 to 4 hours long, even so the Sunday video, so it would be very difficult for me to make two videos on one Sunday. Okay, so now let's see what happened today on the DAX 30 market that I trade every day. Looking at the M15 chart, my analytical chart, we can see that after yesterday's bearish rally that was 745 pips from high to low. Today practically the market made a recovery. It made a recovery of 384, around 384, almost 385 pips, but then came back down. So basically, almost immediately, yesterday late at night, just before the closing, the market made the daily low, and then over the night, over the Asian session, it was going up, basically, retracing and going higher, retracing and going higher. Then we can see that right there on opening of the Frankfurt session and London session, it came down a bit, but didn't make any new lows. It made a higher low, a third higher low, and then continued up all the way up here, and then started going down, retraced and went even lower, retraced, went even lower, and then by the end of the day made a pullback upwards and ended just around here. So basically, if we look at the daily chart, we have a mini chart right there. We can see that the body of today's candle, of today's daily candle, is about 25% of the body of yesterday's bearish candle. So that was that kind of a pullback. Now, personally for me, I don't know, I had a very nice day today. Trading wise, everything seemed to work, and also I was kind of doing a lot of perhaps more analyzing that I do that I usually do. I was looking even as far as the weekly candle. That's where this support level came from. So I was looking at the weekly chart, and that's where I figured out this support level. And then I was looking at the daily chart. I was even looking for a while at the H4 chart, and I made 5 trades today, and all of them were successful. Four of them were made with a minimum lot, because I basically if you were watching the yesterday's daily recap, yesterday I had a difficult time trading. I was making a mistake after mistake. So I was going in short, and the market was turning around long. I was going in long, and the market was turning around short, and stuff like that. A very uncomfortable way of trading yesterday. But today everything seemed to work out fine. I saw the market going long. I went long. Sure. I mean, I expected a bit more. I sort of cut my profits short, right? But anyways, I did make a profit. Basically, I reached my goal. I was only trying to reach a specific financial goal today, and that's what I did right there. I reached it. And then I was looking at the market, analyzing it, and trading with a minimum lot, sometimes even without putting any take profit. Like right here, I mean, I only put my stop loss where it was supposed to be. Then I trailed my stop loss, and right there again, I had almost 35 pips. So that's a very nice result for me. I closed the trade right there. I mean, I was thinking of waiting at least until this candle closes, but yeah, this is the M5 chart. But I didn't hold it out. Now I did. I held out the next one very nicely, and again, this one was without any take profit level. So I just trailed my stop loss, and somehow I waited almost until the close of this candle, and I closed it. I didn't know that the market would turn around. I didn't see the future. I just thought like that this result is pretty nice, and then I thought to myself, okay, good. So I closed it. Yeah. Perhaps I had some measurements done right here, right? So yeah, I closed it at the next level. That's it. Now the market retraced back up and then started going down again. So I went in short again, one more time. Now this one was already in profit about 50 pips, as you can see. So yeah, it was 50. This one was already in profit 50 pips. But first thing, I think I had to leave for a moment. I went out of the room for a moment, and when I came back, either that or maybe I was doing something else. I don't know. Like I switched my screen to YouTube or a forum perhaps. So I wasn't looking at this, and when I came back, came back to the chart, I already saw that the price had moved back up, right? Because basically, I mean, I don't think I would have let this one go so easily if I had seen 50 pips, on the counter. I would have probably closed it even sooner. But anyway, the price was at a potential support level, and on this candle it actually didn't wanna. I mean, it was already up there. I mean, like my profit really, boiled down to a few pips actually for a moment. But then it kind of so the price kind of didn't want to move. That's the candle was bullish at this moment, right? Where the moment where I closed it, I mean, it even closed bullish, because you can see by the wick that it closed bullish. The wick is green, so it means that the candle was bullish. So that's why I closed it out right there. But as you can see, the price almost immediately after that started going down, and actually even reached my take profit, because I did put a take profit right there. Anyways, yeah, whatever. It was a pretty good trade anyway. And then when the price was coming back, I was looking at a long. I don't know exactly how, maybe like this. I don't know. I don't remember right now. Anyways, I was looking for a long. I took a long right here. Again, a very good long. Again, with a small 0.1 minimum lot. I put my stop loss right there. I even put a take profit, but somehow I found it hard to believe that the price would go up. I mean, we had a potential resistance level right there, right? So yeah, either like this, or even like this. That's still a potential resistance level right there. Yeah, it was more like this. So this is a potential resistance level. That's why I decided to close it. Anyway, as you can see that the volatility was pretty high today. Even the market ended with 52 pips ATR on M15. When at some moments the ATR was almost 70. Like I remember 66 at least at one moment. So yeah, so the price was moving pretty nicely. And that's all the trades I took. Even though I could have taken some shorts right there. I mean, there was a possibility that then there was a potentiality to take some longs over here, but I decided that I've had enough. So as you can see right here, I was aiming to cross the 600 barrier today, and I did cross it. I crossed it very nicely. We can see 2625.46. So that's, yeah, okay. Anyways, I was also thinking about it. What was the actual difference between yesterday and today? Why was it so difficult for me to trade yesterday, even though the market was pretty much one directional? I mean, basically yesterday it was enough just to go short and wait, and I kept making mistake after mistake. And mistake recovery, two mistakes recovery. Well, yeah, and today 5 trades. Today 5 trades, and every one of them successful. And not only successful, but each one of them was taken in the right direction, and the market did go in that direction, right? And it gave me most probably it's because of this high volatility rate. But yesterday the volatility was also pretty high, only one directional. Maybe that's the point. Different characteristic of the market. Anyways, that's it for today. That's it for this week. Well, basically in Poland we're having this long weekend because yesterday was a holiday and today practically nobody was working, and tomorrow we have 2 more days. So yeah, so we're having this long June weekend. There are lots of holidays in Poland. I think too many. Anyways, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you already haven't. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified. Come join my Discord server. Yeah. I mean, it's free and you can learn a lot. And also become my Patreon. All English speakers are welcome to join and become my Patreon at the minimum of $5 per month, and you will be granted the VIP role. And with the VIP role, you'll get lots and lots of benefits. Like, for example, you'll probably find out how to find such levels on higher time frames. Yeah, because there is a lot of interesting things available to my VIPs on the Dada's Discord server, on the Dada's Trading Room Discord server. Anyways, have a nice weekend. Please keep safe. Please keep wash your hands and so on, right? And until next time, bye.